Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to file a GST in Zoho Books in 2024. Of course, managing taxes can be tricky, but Zoho Books makes it very easy with built-in GST fill-in tools. So I'll guide you through the process or step-by-step guide so you can fill your GST without any hassle. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use this very once. Once you open it, go to the URL section, and all you need to do, just go and type Zoho Books and hit the enter button. Go to this first link as example, which is zoho.com books. And once you click on it, of course, you'll be taken right here. So what you'll need to do is simply go and click on sign in to sign in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, of course, go and click on sign up now. Of course, you can use Google, Apple, Yahoo, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Microsoft, a lot of options if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. For me, I'll just go here and choose my Google account to sign in into it. And as you can see, by continuing, Google will share your name, email address, language preferences, profile picture with Zoho Books, and you can see the privacy policy and terms of service before you agree and continue in this. As you can see, all the information that you have to enter by your own, it will fill up by its own. So yeah, everything here is correct. I'll just go and click on remind me later for those stuff. And yeah, right here. So for me, I just created like example Zoho Books, or I just started using it. So as you can see, we'll have to start by filling up some information. So welcome to, as example, this is just my username. Let us know where your business and we'll optimize Zoho Books accordingly for you. So you'll have to start by entering the organizational name and then the organizational location. So I'll just choose something random here, which is United States. I don't know, minor outline islands. I don't know what's that. So I'll just choose United Arab Emirates. Why not? Then click on let's get started. So once you do so, as an example in here, you will be taken in here. Here, you'll have to fill up any other informations as example. You'll have to fill it up as example to set up your organizational profile, starting from industry, organizational location. If of course you'll not be able to change it because you've already entered that, language, time zone, and note and everything. Then simply go and click on get started once you fill up all the information. And as you can see, make sure to read up those notes. You can update like some of these preferences from settings anytime and etc. So as you can see, welcome. Thank you for choosing Zoho Books. Before you get started, of course, we would like to show you around and help you navigate through the app. So if you don't want to, just go and click on no thanks. I'll explore it myself. If you want, just go and click on show me around. So as you can see here, you'll find the navigation panel basically, where you can accomplish more in less time. Use the left sidebar, navigate quickly from one model to another. Second option, which is here, recent activities. Click on recent activities icon to go back, basically this icon, to go back to your most recent activities. Third, you'll find search. So you can find records instantly. Type a keyword related to the record or platform advanced search using filters. Fourth, you'll find like this quick create. Create everything faster. Use this quick create icon from any screen to create a new record. And 5, notifications. Stay up to date. As you can see in here, click on the bell icon to stay updated on all notifications and announcements from Zoho Books. And we have settings, where you can explore a wide range of settings and tailor, of course, make Zoho Books for your organization. And finally, you can here find the support to assist you anytime, as you can see. So we are here to help. Write to us or call us to speak to our products experts and resolve your queries. So yeah, that's basically it. Now you can start using Zoho Books without any problems. So once you are here, as we said before, we would like to go and fill some GST in Zoho. So of course, you'd like first of all maybe to configure GST in Zoho Books. To do so, go on settings at the top right corner. Once you go so, you'll find yourself right here. We'll need to go and select taxes, enter taxes and compliance. So as you can see right here, just go and click on it. So in here, in the tax pane or taxes pane, you will need to go and look for this example, use your business registered for VAT. Of course, you'll have to enable it. Then you'll have to enter your tax registration number label, and of course the number of that, the TRN of that, basically. And after that, of course, if you have this international trade, which you can enable trades with contacts outside of wherever you live at. And of course, VAT registered on, generate the first tax return from, and reporting period. For other taxes, of course, you'll have this: are you liable to pay corporate tax? If you are, if yes, of course, you'll have to turn it on as well, and make sure to fill up any other informations. Of course, this might look different for you depending on where you choose your, as example, organization from. So if you go and choose your organization at another place other than this, as example, at another than United Arab Emirates, you may find like other settings. So keep that in mind. Of course, you may find like some GST settings in there. You can simply just enter the required details and click on save. So basically, once you've add that, or once you've finished with that, it's time, or you can start by filling up your first GST. So to fill your GST, as example, as we said before, we'll need to configure the settings. So because I choose Arab Emirates, I don't have here settings for GST settings, but normally for you, you will find it, of course. And as I said, it's going to be basically the same as this. Just go and turn it, go and click on it, GST settings, enable it on if it's not on, and fill up all the informations that are needed. Of course, here as an example, I can just go to my organization, as example, this one, manage in here, and go and create another one to show you exactly how to, that's maybe United States or something like that. So new organization, add new organization. So I'll just name it here test example. And for the location, I'll just do this. Let's get started. So yeah, for it's not, it's optional to put that. So currency, I'll just add like dollars as an example. Okay, so USD right away. And time zone, I'll just put whatever in here, then go and click on get started again. So I'm just trying to show you that you may have different settings depending on whatever you choose. So let's just wait. Again, go to the settings, go to taxes in here. So as you can see in here, we'll have like other option. Like here we'll have tax rates and tax settings, as you can see. So it will be different. So depending on wherever you choose or whatever you choose, you will have different settings on tax. So if you choose like the appropriate country, basically, which is India for GST, you will find it right there. So as example, I'll just go here, manage again, click on new organization, new. So I'll just type whatever in here. For location, we'll choose, of course, India. Then click on let's get started. I'll just choose here whatever and get started. So let's just wait for the thing until it's open, and basically we'll have to configure the settings, and once we did that, we'll be able, so yeah, we can go here to settings, taxes, and as you can see, we'll have GST settings right here. You can put it on and simply start filling up your information, then click on save. Once you enable that, of course, you'll be able now to start using and those, or to start filling GST tax in Zoho books right now. Of course, you might even want to like enable the API access. We'll have to go to the GST importer and simply enable it from there. It's up to you to do it from there as an example. And basically, once you've done this as well, you can simply just come here and start filling up your GST right away without any problems. Example. So just follow this example, and once it's completed, basically you'll be good to go. So you can start creating your first invoices and etc. and GSTs, and yeah, you should be good to go as an example. So just fill up all, or just follow up what's in here. You can even watch and learn how to do some stuff, and they will show you exactly how to do it. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.